again, as you said, an adjective is a word that gives a characteristic about something in a sentence, like for example, like beautiful or short, etc., like all the adjectives that we have learned so far. So in this case, what we are seeing are the participle as adjectives. So we have present participles, which are the ones adjectives ending on ing, and then we have past participles, which are adjectives ending on ed in this case. So the differences and the uses between a present participle and a past participle are basically these ones. We have that an adjective that ends in ing, so that's the present participle, is used to describe a characteristic. So it gives a characteristic to a person, thing, or situation. And also, this is what causes the feeling on a sentence. We're gonna see some examples right now. Then we have the past participle, which are the ones ending on ed. So an adjective that ends on ed is used to describe a feeling, which is how a person feels, or an emotion. So this is about a person. And this is used, since this is an emotion or a feeling, it's basically used to describe something that is temporary. And also, since only people and animals have feelings and emotions, these ones, the past participles, meaning the ones ending on ed, you cannot use them to describe an object or a situation. But these ones, the present participle, you can use them because since they are a characteristic, you can use it to describe either a person, a thing, or a situation. So this is the difference, like are some examples of the differences between present participle and past participle. So we have, for example, this one, we have my girlfriend is bored. That's a past participle because it ends on ed. So if I say my girlfriend is bored, that means that my girlfriend feels bored, like that she's feeling bored in this moment. That's how she's feeling, that's her emotion or her feeling. But then if I said that my girlfriend is boring, which is a present participle because it ends on ing, that means that that's a characteristic of my girlfriend. That means that she is a boring person. If I say that she's bored, I'm saying that she's feeling bored. But if I say that she's boring, I'm saying that she is a boring person. That's a characteristic of her, for example. If I say I am confused, yes.
Yesterday I watched a video about the adjective with ed and ing, and I listened that when I use boring, it's like to, for example, I say my girlfriend is boring when she stays with me. For example, she's boring with me.
Like describing a characteristic in the moment, for example.
Yeah.
But in that case, you will be saying she gets bored when she is with me. That will be better. Because if she's boring only when she's with you, she's well, she might be boring only with you, but that will have another meaning on the sentence maybe. But
okay.
You will say that. Then if I say I am confused, if I say that I am confused, it's because I don't understand something. That's a feeling or emotion in the moment. It ends on ed. But if I say that I am confusing, it's because I am a person that will cause you to be confused. Like it's my characteristic. I am confusing. It's different to I am confused because if I say I am confused, it's because right now I am feeling confused. But if I am confusing, it's because I am a person, that's my characteristic, that makes you feel confused, that will cause you to be confused. So for example, if I say public toilets are usually disgusting, it ends on ing, that's a characteristic. Like, are usually disgusting. That's the characteristic. But if I say I am disgusted, disgusted is a feeling. This is how I feel about the toilets. I feel disgusted by the smell in some of them. So public toilets are usually disgusting. I am disgusted by the smell of some of them. Basically, again, if I use ing, it's because it's a characteristic. It's more permanent. It's something more permanent. And if I use the adjectives using ed, it's because this is just a feeling or an emotion. Is more temporary. That's how I feel about something. If I say my girlfriend is bored, it's because she feels bored. But if I say my girlfriend is boring, it's because she is a boring person. She might make you bored because she's boring. Again, if I say I am confused, it's when I don't understand something, but if I am confusing, it's because I will cause you to be confused. Remember that present participle, the ones that end on ing, they cause the feeling. So these ones cause this feeling. If I say I am confusing, that's ing. Since I am confusing, I will cause the feeling of you being confused, basically. If you watch videos, you might get an idea on it, but that's basically it. I shared you the board so you can have that information for later. And you can use it however you want. Now I am going to send you this exercise on Telegram. So in here you are going to complete the sentences using the correct participle. You can use the ones ending in ing, present participles, or the one ending on ed, that are past participle. Again, I shared you the board so you can use the differences and the information that you see in here to complete this exercise that I am going to send you. For example, we have number 1. It says, why are we watching this boring movie? That means that the movie causes you to be bored. Like, aren't you bored with it? Because the movie is boring. So let's do another example. For example, if I have Kristen Stewart is an, what would you say, amazing or amazed actress? Hello, guys.
Sorry, teacher. Repeat.
If we have sentence number 2, we have Kristen Stewart is an blank space actress. What would you say? That she's an amazing actress or that she's an amazed actress?
Okay, let me see. She's an amazed
So that
actress.
if you say that she's an amazed actress, that means that she's amazed. Something causes her to be. So I am blank space by her talent. You will say I am.
Teacher, the field is a magazine. Remember?
Exactly.
Teacher.
Okay, amazing, but I am amazed with her talent.
Entonces,
I am amazed and amazing. She's amazing.
Yes, Ruth.
Okay.
Yes, and the I'm amazed by her talent.
With her talent, okay.
Exactly.
ING is first.
Exactly.
Okay,
So we
yeah.
say that she's an amazing actress and that I am amazed by her talent because her talent causes me to be amazed. If you say that
Okay,
she
yeah.
is an amazed actress, that means that she maybe saw something amazing that causes her to be amazed. Basically. So then we have, let me go ahead and send you this exercise on Telegram so you can complete it with the work.
I don't know why teaching for this topic for me is kind of hard. Oh my God.
Yes, sometimes it can be confusing. So let's work with that. Let me know in this chat when you guys finish. Let me know on the video call chat.